because on the spot they're gonna do a police report, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right.
on the spot they're gonna do a police report if it's a major hit, and then
Do they still use those police stickers here in Ontario? That
Yeah.
say reported
reported
to
the police.
police.
Yeah, they still use those.
So okay. So
Yeah.
when you're seeing these cars drive around with no stickers, you know that wasn't reported
Yeah,
to
yeah.
police.
Well, it might have been, but they just peeled them off.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
yeah, I think the first thing is to make sure you're okay, and the guy that you hit or he hit you is okay.
okay,
Call
yeah.
the police, and
Yeah.
then most likely these chasers or the police will
Arrange for
a
tow.
tow,
Okay.
a tow, and then if you know a shop or whatever, you'll bring it to me or a shop that you know, or at that point you can call your insurance and say, where should I bring this car?
Right.
Yeah. So
especially if you're traveling and you're out of province or out of
Yeah,
state or out of
exactly,
you know
exactly.
that you don't
Yeah.
have no clue. Then yeah, of course.
Exactly. Yeah.
So car comes to you.
Yeah.
You get me in a rental car. So now I'm in a rental car. I've had my coffee at your place. I feel comfortable. I've talked to you. I'm like, this guy isn't slimy at all. I like him. I think he's honest. My car's in good hands.
That's it.
So I leave. What happens?
You leave. You've notified the insurance that it's at our shop.
Yep.
So the next step is we wait for an appraisal to come out.
Okay.
And well, there's two routes actually now. The insurance company might send us a link to upload the pictures ourselves.
Okay.
And they will do an estimate in their head office, or they'll send an appraiser. Either way, we got to wait for an approved estimate from the insurance company.
So this is where things get interesting and juicy.
Mm-hmm.
So how is it determined what the cost is for you? Like,
Yeah.
so in my industry, I have a door rate,
Uh-huh.
and my door rate's $175 per labor hour. There's shops.
Wow, you're making them. You got
Oh,
the
yeah,
yacht
just-
in Miami.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have you seen this place? Have you seen my guys? We got quality guys. We got quality. Anyway, it all comes at a cost. There's other shops that are much less
Yeah.
door rate, and I don't think really that much less, because
No.
I have obviously called around. I know what the
Yeah.
prices are, and we're fairly competitive.
That's right.
Do you find that there's shops out there that are? Do the insurance companies allow shops that are extremely hourly rate lower than you to compete?
So here's the thing, Mike. Well, the reason why I said wow is not because of your rates being high, because that's where the big difference is in body shops versus mechanical.
Mm-hmm.
Your door rate's 175.
Mm-hmm.
My door rate's 85.
Okay.
Right. And but to the insurance companies, there's a big thing going on. Their rates are stuck around 60, 65.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
they're expecting
that's-
you to get paid
Yeah.
$65.
yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. So that
When your guy's making like probably $40.
40. Yeah.
Like, are you
Yeah.
like, are they insane?
Yeah. So I think there was a big thing in Quebec. There was a petition for all the body shops to get the insurance companies to raise the rates,
Right.
their door rates, to at least match retail rates.
Right.
I think it went through. I think they're trying to do it in Ontario too. But yeah, so basically they'll give you the estimate based on their rates,
Okay.
right? So
So at that point, like, because clearly you know what's involved with this repair, and